First memory of independence, my father took me, and I can remember I wear a short pants, plaid, green and plaid top. And when he took me, we see all these board thing going around, and the thing is like it's a what they call it again, merry-go-round. It's made out of wood and rope, and it's only men can stop it. We didn't have power or anything like that. They lift you and they put you in, and I think it was shilling or 26 pence, I can't remember. And when I went in there, they spin it with you like this, and then for it to stop, men have to stop it, power stop. They can't stop it because we didn't have electricity or anything like that. And I remember when I was going home, I get a cup. It was a green cup, and my brother get a yellow cup. And something went wrong. It was raining and something went wrong, and we have to get out of there. So I wear a slippers. Of course, it was muddy, it was raining, and I couldn't walk in the mud. So my father just put me over his back and put the dirty slippers in his pocket, and I hold the cup like this, and he took me home. That's my memory. I don't remember anything about independence that much.